I've put it on the record that I feel that it's reasonable that people pay for water as a utility, so long as the cost isn't excessive, and so long as there's a recognition of the fact that some people obviously are really constrained in terms of what they can afford. So our policy will be based on that premise that it has to be modest charge, but we do need investment in water, and I very passionately believe that a single water utility is far more effective and efficient than multiple local authorities dealing with water. The problem with Irish Water is that it was set up in such a haphazard way. It was very much about silencing various vested interests and buying off the support of trade unions. There were secretive deals. I've been very vocal on that, which I think have meant that people don't have trust or faith in Irish Water, and that Irish Water as a utility doesn't perform and hasn't performed as it should. I think they are pulling up their socks. I think that Irish Water, perhaps in a more efficient construct, can deliver, but it has totally under-delivered to date.
So you don't necessarily want to dismantle it now, do you? Dismantle implies we're going to tear it all up and start again.
Look, we'll be launching our policy in the very near future, and I don't want to preempt it because we're still working on it, but the premise behind Irish Water is one that I've always supported, but Irish Water as it currently exists doesn't work, so we will replace it with something that functions and that achieves the kind of economies of scale that were promised when Irish Water was first mooted, that saves money for the Irish taxpayer and invests in a proper water infrastructure which we don't have at the moment.